Chasalo Barkathal Amchaini Tiprah Academy English Medium School ni Kaham board exam o pass Wngnai students Rokno Kaisa Pandani Bisingtwi Felicitated Khlaijakha Manjakha CEM Runiel Debbarma Mantri Brishaketu Debbarma MDC Rabindra Debbarma te Tiprah Academy English Medium School ni principal Mithun Rupini no Khobui SNBA ni leaders rock.
Khlaijakha 69.4%. Was the highest.
CEM Runiel Bisingtwi Debbarma Chini MDC
Asalo poila no pandawo Manjakha narwai Rokno lamjak sopenya Khlaijakha aboni yagulo no Manjakha pandawo koksana ne thangai Mantri Brishaketu Debbarma Shakha Tiprah Academy English Medium School ni Kaham manai pass Wngnai students Rokno ya Khlaijakha borom abo haike borom ya Khlaijakha khanke borok no nogoi tei kubun student rokbo lekha saragnani bagai sakangai faide khanai
Giri Tiprah Academy Kaisa Chini
Chini solid character build
Mantri plus 12 exams the result Jara first division higher first division second division Manwirok Chini Felicitation Chini Tiprah Academy Daklai 100% pass players semano Tiprah Academy top 10 atau besar Tiprah Daklai percentage kali 77% toko highest 73 72 72 24 zona first division exam class 12 में result एकदम Kaham और science commerce arts tongla because of 75% tong Chini Debbarma Mari Debbarma 73%.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful and beautiful speech. Your words have really motivated our students. And it is really motivation for all of us. And even the world without God, a person.
Asalni Pandaw Manjakha CEM Runiel Debbarma Mantri Brishaketu Debbarma MDC Rabindra Debbarma te Tiprah Academy English Medium School ni principal Mithun Rupini no Khobui SNBA ni leaders rock.
Arts ni Khlaijakha 69.4%. Arts the highest. Aboni yagulo city Mr. 51.4%. Khlaijakha.
Barakathal di sini boyarnya kau tu Chini Khorang.